Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Helpdesk Macros functionality. So firstly, I'm going to show you a simple example. So I go to our Helpdesk project and then go to Issues. So in other words, it is in Tickets. So I click a ticket here and click on Reply. Okay, so here I write some text. This is a ticket number, and the macros are inserted into brackets, curly brackets, and percentages. So here it is, ticket ID. So this parameter calls the ticket ID itself. So in our case it is 602. Okay, so I send this message to a client. And see that it is successfully inserted. Ticket ID is 602. Okay, so probably you cannot remember how all the macros are written. So that's why we have written them in a list on our Helpdesk documentation and helping section. So you have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com. And afterward, here is an help and support section. So please scroll down to Helpdesk and then search for the macros article. So here it is. You click on macros and here you will find the very detailed list of all macros. So I'm going to show you one more example. Okay, so we say, for example, contact name, hello, contact name. Okay, so, okay, ticket status. Currently, your ticket status is this one. Okay, so we could also say the priority, and also your priority is this one. Okay, so let's find something else. This is the full ticket history. So this means that all replies, the initial request, and all support agent replies and all client replies, everything will be included into this ticket history. So the full ticket history could be checked here. Bye. Okay, so we submit. And see that everything is fine. So yeah, hello, contact name is Andrew Kowalski. Currently your ticket status is closed. So this is correct. We see that the status is closed. Okay, also your priority is this one, normal. So the ticket priority is normal. And also the full ticket history could be checked here. And we see the ticket history below. So this is the full discussion by now. It has only a couple of answers, but it could have, for example, yeah, maybe 500 replies, or yeah, 1000, depends on the ticket itself. So it could be very, very long. Alright. So this was just an example of how the macros work and how they are automatically applied when the answer is placed. So yeah, but please think about it. It is a bit difficult to every time just copy paste, or even if you remember these macros, it will be a bit difficult for you to every time insert them into your answer. So the main idea of the macros is to be placed into two places. Okay, the very first place that they could be used is the help desk template. So you have to go to the settings of this project, and then you will find the help desk template here. So we see the answer template. It has already defined macros. So this is ticket subject, ticket tracker, and ticket ID. Okay, and here is the macros for the voting of the help desk ticket. You could check it in detail in our article. Okay, so the auto answer has also some macros here. The public URL is accessing the ticket without need of registration in Redmine. So this is for publicly use of reading this ticket. Yeah, so this is one place here where you could use this thing. And if you would like to put some example, yeah, what could be, for example, ticket project. Okay, this is just for testing here. Ticket project is okay, so we save. And when we return back to the tickets, we just put on any because we have already answered the other one and it is closed. Okay, so we open this one, and when we click reply, we see the answering template. So ticket project is, so this is the template. Sorry about that. Just to go back to the settings. Sorry about that. Yeah, so sorry, I have just made the wrong macro. So I was just wondering, why is this full ticket history here into the reply template? Yeah, it was very strange. That's why it is appearing. So I wanted the project. Okay, so project is this one, ticket project. Okay, ticket project is this one, so we just copy paste and save our changes. Alright, so we'll return back to the ticket and click on reply. So we see the email footer of the template. So it has the support agent name as well as ticket project is Redmine Helpdesk plugin demo. So this is correct. Here is our project. So this template means that every time when you click on reply, the template is automatically auto-filled here at the bottom of every reply that you send. Yeah, so you just put some macros here and they automatically apply into your answers. So this was the first place where you could put these macros, and the second place is the canned response feature. By the way, just to say, if you'd like to learn more about these features, there are separate articles into our documentation, one that is dedicated onto the templates and other article that is dedicated on the canned responses. Alright, so canned responses are working similarly as the templates. They are again templates, but they are here for answering directly into the ticket. So I'm going to show you how you could edit and create them to see what I mean. So again, you go to the settings of the project and then you will see the canned responses tab here at the very right. So here are some already predefined, and I'm going to just create one more to show you what is the magic to have a canned response. Okay, so it will be, for example, Marilyn Manson. Very interesting. So it could be for all project and public, and By the way, you see that it is easier for you here. You have the available macros listed, so there is no need to go to the article here. Just click, one click, and the macro is inserted here. Alright, so yeah, let's just test. So hey, contact first name. I would like to let you know that okay, ticket quarter description is the very initial message of the ticket. So I'd like to let you know that based on your initial request, okay, and we insert this one, ticket quarter description, I have a solution. This solution is, what is the solution? Yeah, actually I don't know what to pick. Contact middle name, or no, this is the date. Okay, the solution is that today Marilyn Manson has a concert. The date is this one. Alright, so this is it. We have two macros here that are placed into a counter response, that is Marilyn Manson concert. Alright, so we create it and return back to our tickets of Helpdesk, and click on reply. So we see Marilyn Manson concert here, we click here and we have inserted the counter response. Yeah, so here it is. I have a solution. This solution is today Marilyn Manson has a concert, and the date is this one. Okay, so something is not seem to be very correct. Oh yeah, this is correct. Hey Derek. Okay, so the very initial ticket description is this one. Do you provide commercial support? Do you provide commercial support? Yeah, this is correct. This is the very initial request of the client. And the last one is the date of the Marilyn Manson concert. So yeah, all macros are correctly applied and everything is fine. Yeah, so this was the second way of applying the macros. It is into the counter responses of your helpdesk. Okay, so one more thing I would like to show you is that both templates of helpdesk as well as counter responses are available not only into the settings of this project but also globally. So this is a project level, and also there is a global level. So if you'd like to access the global level and create and edit counter responses and helpdesk templates there, you have to click on administration here onto the top right corner, and then select the helpdesk, and here you will see the helpdesk template. Alright, yeah, here we have already defined some, and also the counter responses, so they are here. Okay, just to say that the helpdesk template, for example, if you have some template here and if you put some project level, the project level will override the global one. This is important for you to know. And for counter responses, no matter where they are created, either on project level or on a global level, if they are publicly enabled, they are going to appear here onto the global list of counter responses of your helpdesk in the administration section. Yeah, alright, thank you very much for watching this video. It was about the helpdesk macros. I wanted to say also that if you like this video, you can check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Don't forget to thumb up for this video and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, and see you into the other videos. Bye bye.